The 21-in-1 lymphatic drainage drops with liposomal 6,000 mg immune support truly feel like a premium, all-in-one wellness solution that has been thoughtfully designed for people who want deep, full-body support without juggling multiple supplements every day. From the moment you begin using this product, it's clear that the formulation focuses on comprehensive results, combining lymphatic drainage support, immune reinforcement, detox assistance, and overall vitality in a single, highly concentrated liquid drop format. The liposomal delivery system is a standout feature, as it helps improve absorption so the body can utilize the nutrients more efficiently, which makes a noticeable difference in how quickly and effectively the product works. The 6,000 mg strength reflects a powerful, high-quality formula that feels intentionally crafted rather than diluted or underdosed, giving confidence that you're actually nourishing your body at a deeper cellular level. What makes this product especially impressive is the inclusion of 21 synergistic ingredients that work harmoniously to encourage smoother lymphatic flow, reduce feelings of heaviness or sluggishness, and support natural detox pathways, while simultaneously helping maintain a strong and resilient immune system. The drops are extremely easy to incorporate into a daily routine, whether taken on their own or mixed into water, and the liquid format is ideal for those who dislike swallowing capsules or want faster absorption. Many users appreciate how gentle yet effective the formula feels, allowing for consistent daily use without irritation, while still delivering noticeable improvements in energy, balance, and overall wellness. Over time, the product supports a clearer, lighter feeling throughout the body, reinforcing the sense that internal systems are functioning more smoothly and efficiently. The convenience of having lymphatic support, immune strengthening, and detox benefits combined into one product not only saves time but also eliminates the need to purchase and manage multiple supplements. This makes the 21-in-1 lymphatic drainage drops a practical and cost-effective choice for long-term wellness. Overall, this product stands out for its potency, advanced liposomal absorption, clean and easy-to-use format, and well-rounded health benefits, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to elevate their daily health routine with a single, high-impact supplement that delivers consistent, reliable support from the inside out.